Samoy, Samoy. Samo. Alright, gear up.
Okay, let's go to snow. So in the snow, you're gonna ride bike, you're going to slide the snow.
And I'm going to throw snowball at your face. And I'm going to make a snowman. And I'm gonna dress up. And I'm gonna be silly. I'm gonna like.
That's right, di ba?
Like lang to eh.
Show you.
Yung
Ay, ano?
snow, yung ano, di ba?
Miso ramen.
Mine is, look.
Unagi.
Being naughty. If you keep on being naughty, you read that. Coffee. Hot. Ito.
Ayan.
No, not that one. Not that one. Coffee hot. This one. Hot lang only. This or this?
Hindi kami nagkakape.
Ano?
Kaya we don't know the face.
Ang mamatapang dyan.
Ito mukhang matapang to.
Yung kaya ang paglaban.
This one nga. You press this. Oh.
Oh.
Wala, you
What
can
else? This is cocoa. Chocolate.
Ay, hindi po.
Hindi ng chocolate.
Is it hot?
Ikaw,
Why?
Andrew.
Nakati na po kami.
Oy.
How about you?
Good,
Like
mainit.
this? Nata de coco?
Oh my God.
Hindi.
May tubig.
Hot ice. Hot coffee.
Ano lang ha?
Ay, mukha ka pala.
Hindi kami nagkakape. Pero sa bahay meron kapiole. Para sa inyo.
Walang
inanok
skin.
ng ano, tsaka-
Okay naman. Kahit lang
Oo.
coffee dito.
Ah, black kayo talaga.
Hot? Good.
Kapag ano naman siya, buti hindi nagbabanggaan niya. Mainit yung upuan ng tren. Merong bagong... Hindi ko alam kung merong bagong tayo. May heater. Kaya mo?
Kaya.
Anong degrees? Siguro nasa ano to? Feels like 5.
Lang. Let's check.
Hindi nga napapaan si laway ko eh.
7 pa din. Dito may picture kami dito.
Ano ba yan?
Okay. We have family here in Japan. Anytime you want to go here,
Hmm. In your face.
Hi guys, we're already walking to Japan with Daddy
Hello.
and Lola Pogi and Mommy and Tita Girl and Tita Ganda.
Make your face like that. Like that.
And we are already walking to another restaurant. I already ate. It's already nighttime. It's so cold today.
Cold?
I'm done. Daddy,
Ito sa gitna kasi tong dila eh. I-ilo ka man going to cook. Wow! Tatlo-tatlo lang para ano.
nice work, Mom.
Aha. Namuumutan niya na kasi Japan. Ano yan?
Wrap.
Ito. Chili cream. Ito ha.
Meron po. Time check.
Ang lamig.
Okay, to end the day, conclusion ko sa first day na to. Mahirap, medyo mahirap bumili. Kasi sa mga kumbini. Ayan. Ayan. Kahit yung mga self-service, medyo complicated.
Kailangan ng
Oh, pero mabubuhay ako dito kasi
May pagkabarok-barok.
hindi masakit sa paa. Hiyang. Mukhang hiyang ako dito eh. Very good.